Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you like this braid out, then keep on watching. So these are what I'm going to use. So I'm going to use my Camille Rose Natural Curl Love Moisturizer Milk as rice milk and macadamia oil. This has been the best moisturizers I've ever touched in my life. I mean, this, honestly, Camille Rose is better than Shea Moisture. I'm not even going to lie, like, they are. So I use her oil too, and this has been the best oil too. It's called the Coca Nibs and Honey Ultimate Growth Serum. And I've been using this as my oil. And I've been using shea butter oil as my oil too, and hemp oil and tea tree for your dry scalp and all that. Then I use this as my leave-in conditioner. I don't know if it's just been the best conditioner I've had. I don't think so. Miel's pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. I mean, it smells great. Like, it really does. But I don't know if it's been the best for my for moisturizing, or feeling like your hair is conditioning or whatever. But it's good. It's better than some other products I've had. So this is one section. This is the side of my head. And I do chunky braids. I don't ever do small braids. One, because I'm too lazy. Two, because it just doesn't turn out right. I don't want to say they look ugly, but I mean, it's just not. This is what it looks like when I do like small braids. It's just not gonna look right. Like the I don't know. Some people, it might look good on them if they do like super small. I don't know. It just doesn't look right. I just do big ones. If you want a lot of hair, big volume, big braids. Okay? Let's go grand. So this is one section. Literally, this is literally one braid. Literally one braid. We're going to do that seriously. I'm so serious about that. I don't do more than only do like 8 braids, to be honest. So I'm gonna take this. I love how that smells. Not cotton candy, but something else, like vanilla cake or something. Yeah, it smells like vanilla cake or something like that. So I like make sure I get everything moisturized, because my hair just doesn't it just doesn't. Get your edges, you want those to be moisturized and things like that. Literally, I'm going one by section. Like, I have this all the rest of my hair in one ponytail, reading something. And I make sure my hair is literally drenched in moisturizer. But I use shea butter oil or this oil if you want to. I switch to seal that moisture in and make sure I get enough to coat it. And this is when my hair gets kinky again. So I gotta comb it again. Or no, I just finger tingle, because combing is not even really good. Low manipulation is best for you. If you just finger comb, separate it like that, and just finger comb, that's actually healthier than combing your hair, because combing your hair is not good for you either. But at the same time, you don't want to not to have so many tangles, and then it breaks off too when you have a lot of tangles. So, but literally, look guys, this is what I'm doing. And this is how I get literally all my braid out. And literally, this is what I do. Just braid. I have 2 ways of doing braids out. I can do a cornrow braid out, or just a chunky braid braid out. And this is literally my braid. See? That's all I'm doing. This video has been highly requested. Okay, we're gonna go to the back, because I like doing the back, because this is the biggest section. Literally, I split right down the middle. I don't know. I don't even part, my guy. Like, the ones who like to be neat, like, I'm trying to get something done. You feel me? I'm not even trying to be. Nobody looking at the back of your head. Like, if they are, stop staring. If they are, stop staring. Mind your business. Shit. But I do literally 2 braids in this whole section. No more. No more. Literally top and bottom. Literally. Seriously, and so I put conditioner in the same way I put leave-in in. Get those ends, because they are the oldest part of your hair or whatever. go finger combing through in your hair. Then you take an oil of some sort of your choice. A sealant oil that's good for like, you know, like olive oil, something like that. Shea butter oil, something that will help also. You know, moisturize, but the sealant. All oils are sealant, so you know. But then I take, for extra moisture, because I have high porosity hair, I take more moisturizer. I take moisturizer, moisturize again. It's literally how I keep my hair soft, because otherwise it's going to be dry as a chip. Like, look at that, 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 look at that. And put more oil on it. And really, when you finger detangle, you don't really have to comb. See, look, like that, like that. Then take it and braid it. Take it and braid it. Literally, take it and braid it. There's nothing else to do but to do that. And yeah, boom, got 2 braids done. It's just fantastic, right? Yeah. So 1, 2 in the back, and 1 right here, and this is gonna be 2. I already conditioned, put the leave-in conditioner in. So these are 2. Only gonna be 2, the last 2 I'm doing on my hair. I recommend you sit under the dryer if you have problem having, like, your hair has a problem with being moisturized and it's dry. I wouldn't advise you at all to sit under a dryer. Just let it, unless you are in a situation when you're in a rush and you gotta go somewhere later on, you gotta look good, and yeah. But just, you know, put moisturizer on after you get under the dryer. Just not a lot, you know. But if you have like high porosity hair like I do, or it's just best to just let it air dry. Like dry for a day, dry overnight, whatever you want to call it. Cause like it's like 11 something in the morning right now, and tomorrow I'm going to take it out for a concert that I'm going to. So just let it dry. It's just the best way. Just naturally let it dry. It's just the best way for your hair. It's the healthiest way for your hair. I twirl my ends just because, yeah. And so let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 braids. Literally 8 braids is all I do. Tomorrow I'm going to show you how I take my braids out, but I take my braids out like any other person would take their braids out. But except I use oil to take my braids out because it causes more slip. Again, and you want to save that moisture that you kept in those braids and in your hair. So it just helps keep your hair soft and moisturized. Yeah, and it's easier to take your braid out. Like, you won't cause the curls to go from a beautiful curl to some mess that you don't want. That's what the oil helps. It's like, it just helps you take it. It just helps the process of taking your hair down. Just, yeah. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah. So it's tomorrow. So I'm going to take the oil in my hands and I'm going to gently take the braids out. Gently, because you don't want to disturb the curl and its pattern, and you just really want to keep it nice looking and bouncy and fresh and just not, you know, just not a mess. So you want to take them out really carefully, especially if at this moment it was still a little damp. It wasn't completely too dry, but it wasn't like soaking wet to the curls. Then obviously you see that the curls are still formed. You just, when it's wet, you just want to do less manipulation so you can keep the curls, you know, still popping. You feel me? Anyways, so you see me here just taking the braids out. Again, I cannot stress enough, take them out gently. Twirl them if you see the curl is not the curl that you want it to be. So just twirl it. I don't know which direction. I just naturally just twirl it and it just gives me the curl. Some people just say twirl it the opposite direction of what you braid it, or the same direction. I don't know which one is the which. I don't know which is the truth that people say, but just twirl it. But anyways, yeah, so you see me taking these braids out. And yeah, keep watching. I don't do a lot of picking, so I just separate. You can if you want. It's still wet, so I gotta let it dry first before I really pick it. So when it's wet, just don't do too much with it. Just try to separate it. Don't pick the roots out yet at all until it dries. Just try to separate it gently. Not too much separation. Just don't do a lot of manipulation when it's wet. It does what it wants. Really, my hair just does what it wants. It turns out the way it wants to turn out. It does what it wants. I'll let it do what it wants. But if you guys like this, I can't hear me. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, family. Go follow me on my social medias. Watch my box braid tutorial video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.